Rollup is subtotal is a function that generates the subtotal rows for the rows that add missing item created in addition to the result of a summarized columns to generate the rows that summarized columns did not create because of blank removal. It's a function that you always use inside add missing items. An example might help understanding it a bit better. Here I have an internal summarized columns that is doing rollup at this subtotal. So it is creating a is year total column and is year month total column, which contains true or false, and it also generates rows for the subtotal at the year and year month level. Not all these rows will be generated because in case the measures are blank, summarized columns will not return these blank rows. Add missing items performs the addition of the rows that were removed by summarized columns, but it does not add subtotals unless you specify rollup is subtotal. Now you see that in rollup is subtotal, you use the same set of arguments that you used in rollup add this subtotal. The main difference being that rollup add this subtotal requires the column name as a string because it generates new rows, new columns, whereas in rollup is subtotal, you use a reference to the column that already exists inside the result set. And if you look at the result, we have the rows generated by summarized columns that contain 2007, 2008, and 2009. Then we have the subtotals for at the year level. And then we start to have rows generated by add missing items, which are 2005, and then 2006, 2010, and 2011. Finally, we have the subtotals 2005, 2006, 2010, and 2011 that are generated because we used rollup is subtotal inside add missing items.